Dave from American West, thank you for taking Arne's and my questions. Now, my question is regarding the cyclicality of copper. So the copper price is, of course, very volatile, and an investor might go about investing during the lows and selling in the highs. But of course, for retail investors, it's really hard to determine when in the cycle we are. How would an investor go about investing in a cyclical business like copper?
Well, I guess it's... I'd have to only express my personal opinion because, I can't speak for everyone. Everyone's got their own preferences in what they invest in. But look, I think base metals seem to be, up and down, but certainly they're always in high demand. The one thing I personally think about is when you look at assets, for example, mining assets and things like that, is grade. I think, grade can hide a lot of sins in terms of bad market prices, ore body underperforming, or something happening, like weather events and things like that. So grade tends to hide a lot of issues around assets and things like that. So the higher the grade, obviously, the more margin as well. So I tend to look at grade being king. And then the other thing I'd look at is what's the end point for the company? So do they want to develop, and therefore what does it take to get to that development? And again, bringing in that grade is king, is that, usually you're more fast-tracked to get to the end point, if you do have a superior grade and tonnage, of course. And so it just makes, better economics for the project. So that would be my only, opinions on the matter.
All right, so thank you for your opinions. But an investor should, according to your opinions, focus more on the quality of business rather than timing the market for copper, correct?
That's right, because no one's got a crystal ball. Look, the forecast for all the metals, particularly tech metals and critical metals, is very robust. So there should be low risk around that, but the world could implode tomorrow, but as we know, if we all had a crystal ball, it'd be much easier, but unfortunately we don't. But look, certainly base metals is going to be strong, as are the other critical and tech metals. So that's what we're banking on.